Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to copy and paste between AutoCAD files using only a home tab and the clipboard panel. We'll be moving three specific objects: a shower, a sink, and WC from three different DWT files and bring them all into one target file. Let's jump right into it. First, make sure that all your source DWT files and the target files are open. In this case, I have three files: shower, sink, and WC. And I will be moving them into target file. Let's start with the first source file, which was a shower. Select the shower object, then head over the Home tab in the Clipboard panel, click Copy. Now switch to your target file. In the Home tab, go to Clipboard panel again and click Paste. Place the shower object where you want it in your target file. Next, switch the second source where we have sink. Select the sink object. Go to Home tab. In the Clipboard panel, click Copy. Switch back to a target file. Just like before, paste the sink in the desired location. You can adjust its placement as needed later. Now let's move to the third source where we have WC. Select the WC object. Head to the Home tab. Once again, click Copy in the Clipboard panel. Finally, switch back to a target file. Place WC object and place it in the layout with shower and sink. Once all three objects, the shower, sink, and WC, are in a target file, you can adjust the position using Move tool or many another command to make sure everything is placed correctly. For shower, I'm going to use Move command. For sink, I'm going to use Move command. For WC, we're going to use the Rotate command. Now we can use Move command. And there you have it. You have successfully copied and pasted a shower, sink, WC from three different AutoCAD files into one target file using just Home tab and Clipboard panel. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more AutoCAD tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.